Ready to unlock the potential of Cardano and grab some ADA? Let's dive into a straightforward guide on how to buy Cardano ADA, transforming you from a crypto newbie to a confident investor in just a few steps. First, choosing the right exchange is crucial. Opt for a reputable platform like Coinbase, Binance, or Croc and consider factors like security, fees, and user-friendliness. Then head to your chosen exchange and create an account, entering your email and a strong password. Security is paramount, so enable two-factor authentication to FA using an authenticator app on your smartphone. This adds an extra layer of protection to your account. Next, you'll need to verify your identity. This usually involves submitting a photo ID, such as a driver's license or passport, and completing a KYC form with your personal information. Now, it's time to fund your account. Most exchanges accept various funding methods, including bank transfers, credit, debit cards, and other cryptocurrencies. Choose the method that works best for you. Navigate to the ADA trading pair, usually ADA USD or ADA USDT, and decide how you want to buy. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order allows you to set a specific price at which you want to buy. Once you've purchased your ADA, it's crucial to store it securely. Consider using a hardware wallet like Ledger or a software wallet like Exodus for enhanced security, instead of leaving it on the exchange. Always remember to diversify your portfolio and stay informed about the ever-changing crypto landscape.